Howdy guys, how are we doing? I'm hoping you can hear me. I'm hoping the new channel is kicking. Let's have a look. Bear with me. We've got 6 minutes till New York Open. Morning Flo, morning Dean. Everything okay with the quality? Can you hear me? Mic's on. Turn this up. Oh, there we go. Right on my door. There we go. Fabulous. Fabulous. Right. Let's have a look. Let's see. On YouTube. How are we all doing? You have a good weekend? Morning, Aaron. Let's get some music in my ear. Get me kicking. There we go. Right, so we've got 4 minutes until New York Open. Let's have a little look at where we are. So just coming up into today's queue. Rejected off that. We're currently below our 1 hour alpha zone. Have a little scan out to see. So we've been coming down. Make sure I've got everything on. I've been messing with my indicators as per usual. Yeah, all good. All good. Just check I've got my daily on. I have a bad habit of that. Don't I, Zoo? Yeah. Right, yeah, so we've got a double Q there. There's a zone and a half. Double Q.
See a double Q very often.
No, look at them. Like, literally smack bang together. A quick. So we're below our hour at the moment. We've got, check our important levels. What have we got around? So we've got our Asia high above, London. Have a little look on our, let's have a look on our daily. So we are been very bullish since all last week. Looks like we might still get that push again. It's a good week like last week, guys. Hope everyone's trading went well. I've seen a lot of people passing challenges, getting payouts. We had a lovely post sent to us on, I think it was Wednesday, Thursday, by somebody in our group. I have to say, I don't know the person personally. I would be lying and remiss of me if I said anything other, but got tagged in a post saying that they were just due, waiting their $22,000 Apex payout from trading alpha zones, and that they'd currently in the last sort of 3 weeks, I think it was two and a half, 3 weeks, made $460 something thousand or something using alpha zones, which is absolutely incredible.
Verify they are a user.
Oh, and they are a user. I just don't know them personally. Is what I meant. I know they're on the Discord.
Everyone's got their own privacy.
Oh yeah, I'm not. He put it on X though, so I didn't mind reposting it.
That's right.
But yeah, hell of a performance from him. Absolute hell of a performance. Morning Guitar Gladiators. What a name. What a name. If there was a prize today for... Yeah, for handle of the day, you win. You're very welcome. I do like the guitar, so that is a pretty sick name. I love it. Is it possible to interview them on the Discord? No, if they want to come and chat to me, they're absolutely more than welcome. They posted it. I've reposted it because of that, but I'm not going to hound them. They just want to get on with their trading. They wanted to celebrate what they'd done, and absolutely full Jamaican homosexual. Well, welcome. Welcome. This is an inclusive chat, mate. You are very, very welcome here at AlphaZones. So we're coming up to New York Open. Got a big bullish whip up there. Let's see how this goes. Make sure we're ready and prepped. Just remember, guys, we're always careful of these queues, and we don't often get a double queue. So let's not be taking a sell signal straight smack bang, a buy signal straight smack bang into that. It's one of the reasons we have our alpha zones. So powerful. Morning, crypto. And you, Alkioa, welcome. Some new faces on today. That's great. So we're taking any trades this morning. We've come up. We're now coming back. There's our sell signal below our 1 hour alpha zone. A little bit cautious straight into our previous hour. We're getting bearish volume. So what we're looking for, we've got our entry, our golden candle. Our trend wave is the right color. We're getting bearish volume. We're below our 1 hour alpha zone. And we've got 3 red trend traffic lights. See, then what's going on my other screen? Gone. Sell signal has gone. I'll put my calculator under the screen. So to keep our eyes out, guys, we know the reason we're waiting for that entry is everything will align. We don't take it without it. So we're coming back above the hour. As I said, the thing we were being careful of. Notice our previous 1 hour alpha zone. Straight in, tap, straight back up. So either way, we're not going to get an entry on this. However, let's keep our eyes peeled. I won't be flicking through any analysis yet while we're just going through these first few minutes. So as you can see, we're getting a buy signal. But our TP1, TP2 and TP3 are sat comfortably at the top of our double Q here. No, no, no. So could absolutely go on to run and play. However, we don't take high risk trades like that here. Well, I don't. You do as you please. We'll happily wait for a more high probability setup. So we've got a Q, we've got our 4 hour. Advantage is if it does come through and break these, then after a pullback, at least we've got a clear run to go bullish if it is. You want to see the Qs are in your AlphaZones Pro. If you scroll down on your settings on AlphaZones Pro, the Q is in there. Okay, so you see, our first Q here, we've tapped into, we're now getting bearish volume. What is a Q? It's one of our alpha zones. It's an important level that we look for in price. Fine. Ish. So yes, as with stats, it still does go to TP1. However, as I said, not for me. Double Q and a 4 hour there. I'm playing with my accounts like that. Yeah, the Qs are put on every day, buddy. So they're there. It's one from today. Starts there. It's one from Friday.
Just use default settings.
So just use default settings on AlphaZones Pro and they'll be there. And they will be very helpful. So yes, one signal on the live. It is a win. Not one I'd ever tell you to take. But we do have to draw on price here. We've got Asia high, got London high. We've got another 4 hour there as well. Yeah, it's the 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. New York, 4 hour high. There's plenty of reason for price to go up there.
There's that rejection you was careful of.
Welcome, Amrit. We're good, mate. How's your trip? Safe travels and all that. I hope you had a good time. So yes, we did manage to scrape a TP1. If you were taking that through this signal through the Qs, but as I've said before, huge areas of support and resistance, and we've come straight in, come straight back out, getting a golden candle to the downside. So a little bit of uncertainty at the minute. We're good, Amrit, we're good. Busy, lots of questions in the Discord. Everyone's doing really well. Right, so we're pushing below the 1 hour. So to get a sell signal, that's what I'd want to see. I want to see a push below here. With Dario G on in the ear as well. Okay, so let's keep ourselves ready. Getting a push down, bearish volume, our trend wave has gone red. We're now below our 1 hour alpha zone. Pushed into that same area as before, as I said, that previous 1 hour alpha zone that we came into. See if we get an entry. Oh, see, look at that. Volume turned bullish at the end. Mr. T-Bone. T's fine. No Mr. and no Bone, that's fine. Default settings, yes, other than in fact, I think shot filter's off on default anyway, but shot filter off, and make sure you're on. I'm on Heikin-Ashi candles, so you need to make sure the box very at the top of your settings. It says normal, it doesn't say normal candles. If that's ticked on, you want to take that off. So we're getting a sell signal. See if we can get a push that. Well, that wasn't a sell signal because you can see we've ended up with bullish volume as it's pushed back up again. This is why we have our confluences, guys. The volume there, but it's not what we're looking for. So it's having another go. Sell signal's now playing. Might want to play this time. See what the volume looks like at the end. I was a little bit concerned about this one anyway, with it being inside the previous one completely. So let's see if this closes. It does close. See if it continues to push through. So we're getting bullish volume on that candle.
Looks like it'll be a no entry. Let's see.
Just be cautious now. We can get some of them that come up and nearly take us out and still come down. But we'll keep an eye on this. It's not our ideal exact ones we're looking for. There we go. No entry, guys. No trade. Why no trade? So we're in the chop at the minute.
We've got a gap above.
You'd be the gap man for me. What price is our gap, Zoo?
Well, there's a big one on.
Is it by our daily?
It's 466. I'm gonna take you to 466, but you've also got a big gap on.
So it's just inside the bottom of the daily.
And it matches the queue as well. Don't always get both. We've got a gap on the queue and a gap on the.
Okay, wonderful. So you want to hit that properly, but we do have a gap on the queue and we do have a gap on the daily. So
A buy and a run would be good.
yeah, closing above here. But as I said, I ain't taking a buy into it because we can see what happened here. Yes, it tapped it, but I want to see push through. But we're getting that buy signal. See if we can close above. See if the buy signal holds up. It's closed above. See if that bullish volume can carry us through. It's not looking ideal right now. See if we can get some bullish volume, push through. It's fighting it. There is a full-on beast of a battle between the bulls and the bears in the middle of this. See if we can get a push up to our golden zone. Come on. It'd be nice to just get that one big strong push now. Bit more volume and bang. Is he gonna go? Come on, girl. Anyone sweating? I used to say that on the I used to go bingo with my mum when I was a kid. You waiting on one number? Anyone sweating? Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get some bullish volume. No name random, you definitely play bingo. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, come on. Let's get that push. With this messing around, I'm just going to go here. I'm not pushing for anything further because it's not exactly how I want to see a trade normally. So if it gets up to here, I'm going to take my money. Come on, one big more push. We're nearly there, girl. And a bit of bullish volume. There we go. And we have a winner. Doris, right at the back.
First trade of the comp.
Feels like I'm pregnant with all the pushing.
First trade of the comp.
First trade of the comp.
Yes.
Zoo's on his Traderify best of 200, is it now?
Yes, people have already gone though.
Have they? Already this morning?
Yeah.
W's in the chat, let's get them in.
Leaving a runner in case we go fill that gap.
Well, you need to leave a runner.
Okay. I'm slowing down though because I want to see how the first few days go.
Makanatchi, well done. Iamanis, well done. Flo, well done. I'm going to call you 9. 9, well done. No name, well done. Dean, well done. Oh, I'm loving this. This is how we are kicking. It's a great start to AlphaZones for this morning.
So, knock down, knock down, knock down, knock down, knock down, knock down, knock down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that have gone there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So there's only 150 there, not 200.
And then there's another. What do you mean?
You paid to 10.
That's position.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Some people in level positions, apologies.
Yeah. So there's about 20, about 10% have already gone. And then number 1 position is currently sitting at 3,500.
Nice. The last signal, did it close above the queue? This one here? That's what I was waiting for.
I'm chasing that gap fill. Come on! Come on, gap fill.
Yeah, I took it because it closed above the queue and everything else aligned. I've got 3 trend traffic lights. I've got bullish volume. I've had my buy signal. It's closed above the queue. It's closed above the 4 hour, above the 1 hour.
Plus we came down and come straight back. You've got a really strong draw of Asia high as well.
Yeah, plenty of draw here. Asia high, London high. Push up to the daily. We've got the gaps here as we mentioned. Plenty of reasons to go bullish. Plenty of reasons to go bullish. My only concern and the reason I went out just here towards London high was I did not really like this pullback below the queue here, and I thought, well, if it's going to mess around a little bit, I like winning. That's it. I like winning. I don't want a pat on the back for a BE. I want to win. So I'll take the win.
First trade of the week. Settle in, get the trade, money in the bank, okay?
You missed it. Probably your Funding Ticks account. I'm on Funding Ticks. It was fine. To be fair, it come up and I didn't get in straight away. That's my honest answer. And I put it here, waited for it to tag me in, and then went. So I did.
I marked it in.
Pardon?
I marked it.
Yeah.
That's the only one I've ever marked it in, but I was like, this could just go because it closed so right at the top of the candle.
Yeah.
Those often can go straight through.
Did I set BE on the trade?
I did it.
I didn't go BE. I reduced my risk when we got to here on this candle, and we went, and it was the 3rd time we'd come up here. I put my stop behind here, behind the queues, because I thought if it comes back below the queues again, I don't want to be in the trade anyway.
I went BE when this candle opened, where the low of the candle was higher than the entry.
This one here.
The one that hit target, yeah, 954. As soon as the low of that candle was above our entry, I was like, well, I don't want to come below there now.
Nice.
So that was my BE.
Good choice. Mine was on this when it came up here.
Completely.
Yeah.
So like you've got that close.
It was like it was up here.
Yeah.
It had closed higher, and I was like, if it's gonna come back down here, I don't want to be under
This
that.
is where the expansion needs to happen.
Yeah. And sometimes I can't always give you an honest, not honest. I can't always give you a straight answer on that because sometimes it is how the trade feels and how the experience of sitting, going through many of them. You want to go, well, does that feel like how it usually feels like? Am I seeing what I'm usually seeing? So yeah, so I reduced my stop based on, we pushed up, we come down below it, and I was like, right, well, if I'm going to take a loss here, I'm going to take a loss because it's not come, it's took me in on the reverse of here. It's come down. And I was like, well, there's nothing I can do there other than bottle a trade, and I didn't want to do that. I was like, right, well, I'll wait. It's come down. And so it's come back up. Now, when it's come back up here and it's closed again here, I'm like, right, well, I do not want to see another reversal here. If I'm getting another reversal there, then I'm happy to be out that trade. So I'll move my stop to here on that point, and then the next candle it's gone up to target. If it had come down, then so be it, but I'd have only lost probably just over a third of what I would have lost on a normal full loss. It's just about a little bit of experience just managing that right. I know it's okay. You're a fucking child. Fucking child. So let's just go over why and what we're looking for next. So we've had no, stop it. We've had a bullish candle and a buy signal, which means that to get. We're now looking for a pullback first, and then we'll see.
I don't want to pull back, just get straight to target.
But our next signal, you don't want to pull back. You're still in.
I left the runner for that gap fill.
Right. Well, if I'm not getting an entry, I hope it goes to yours then.
Yeah.
Otherwise, first and foremost, I want to pull back.
You might well get one. Take previous hour high. It's whether it could come back to the queue, retest the queue. Didn't really retest the queue when we broke out.
No. Well, it did.
Did it?
Yeah, it definitely did.
Oh, that one, that wick.
Because that's when it got me in and I waited.
Oh, yeah.
So not much movement on our 10 o'clock candle. New 4 hour didn't do a lot. ATR has dropped significantly though.
PMI.
Well, silly me didn't look. That was pretty stupid of me. It's worse that you didn't tell me though.
I got it up to tell you, I completely forgot. Sorry, mate.
Forgetting was bad. Knowing and not telling is worse.
Tell you.
You bastard. Right, so here's our golden candle for our pullback that now I'm very glad is coming.
That's so mean.
Like not telling somebody when there's news.
PMI.
Yeah, I'm not overly concerned about PMI, I have to admit. What time was PMI? 3? What was it? Oh yeah, well that made a big difference. You forgot, that's why you were still in the trade.
No.
Yeah.
So PMI might go.
Lies.
Fill the gap. I hope this isn't a golden candle. There we go. Looks like we're retesting the queue again.
Has got anybody new here? Reset my Funding6 account and can't log in. Shit. That's one thing I definitely can't help you with, Aaron.
Right, come on. 4 hour wick put in, let's go.
Well, welcome, first day. And you got the first trade. Yeah. Well, welcome and well done. Well done. That wasn't an easy one, that, if I'm being honest. That wasn't an easy one because it went straight through at the start. So you got to catch them. They don't all do that. Most of the time you'll get a little bit of time. What are you sniggering at? He's in one of them moods today.
I am in one of them moods.
Mm.
Stupid. I'm in a stupid mood.
Right, so we've had our bearish golden candle. So what we're looking for now is this to be a nice rejection. We're getting a bit of bullish volume here. We're going to close above, come back above our 4 hour and 1 hour, get a buy signal, and onto Zoo's target.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Zoo's target price. I have 451.
451. You're not that far then. Or you are literally. Well, you're just under. Is that the gap? So it's below the daily.
Yeah, just below daily, but the Q's bigger. The Q gap's bigger, so it could go further. It's going to fill the Q gap. Q gap's got just as much as it's already gone from the low of the day again. So.
Okay. Q's right at the top of the daily then.
Yeah. So could go. So I don't feel like.
So Zoo's target's just here, just above 451, just below the daily.
I don't feel like it's a overly stretched target if we're going to fill the gap. Like sometimes you go 50%. Oh, you like it? I've been in my combine after.
Don't worry about the red line.
Means it's going to rocket.
Yeah. Rocket fuel line, that's what it is. Yeah, it's just when it's forming, that's all. The rocket feature. It's not a bug, I promise. You can't log on TradingView. I thought you couldn't log on funding ticks.
No trading view.
You've been logged out of everything. You're not asking too many questions. Not at all. That's what you do. I'm here for. Not at all. Let's see if we can get a push above the hour. Yeah, far away. See if we can break this 4 hour and 1 hour. Does the risk calculator keep the values of the last signal printed?
Yes.
Yep.
Bearish volume around this level, so just be careful. Looks like we might need a little bit more correction.
Just gonna sit. We're gonna Wick Island now. Just sitting here up and down in the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So we're gonna bide our time, guys.
So this sell by a bit over the weekend.
How many trades is that? 23? Let's get a push out of this. Come on. We've had our bullish golden candle. We don't take trades in this, especially in the first 20 minutes of a 4 hour smack bang in the middle of it. Just gotta be careful. Right, so we're getting a bearish golden candle, so it's not struggle to close above. So you see we come all the way up here. Looks like we're going to start to step down a bit. So if we were going to take a bearish trade, this is what we've got to be careful of as before. Look out for your Q. So we'd want to see our target above here if we are going to get one. We're getting bullish volume inside our trend wave. Rocket fuel ignited. Another solid rejection out of here. These are the bits that drive us potty when we're on lives, aren't they? You just got to wait. Patience. Some excellent trades in the Discord, which is great to see. Love our Discord. So we need some conviction with a move here. We need something rather than just this pissing around. I still feel like it wants to come up here. My honest feeling. To get this big push through the queues. There's plenty of draw on price up here. Zoo's had a word.
Let's go. 5 minutes just needs to have a little bit of rest. We've seen this many times. Presses around for the first hour, second hour comes back to the queue, end of the second hour comes above the queue, back above the form, breaks and has that run.
Yeah.
So
I often get this for the first sort of 45 minutes on this bit.
Yeah, just put it about.
Where it just up and down, up and down. That's why I said I need to see some conviction in a move. One way or another. I'll just sit here and eat my olives otherwise. So we have many winners this morning. Anyone been trading before? New York, London, Asia? One win, one loss on London. Okie dokie. Traded London, 2 wins. Yes. Oh, cheers. That's annoying. I can feel another green month for you though, cheers. But either way, what a year you've had. What a year. Right, so keep an eye out, but we're getting bullish volume on this, and also pretty sure our TP1 might well be in here, so we may have to wait a little bit longer. London, not for you, Mark, no.
Be surprised if we don't come back to the queue now.
Yeah, looks like it wants to tap it. I don't mind London. There's some good trades in London. If short is triggered, our TP should be in the queue. What's your take? Take it or not? Well, it depends when it triggers. If the TP's in the queue, then no, I'm not taking it. I'm not. He asked the question.
I know, talk to him.
Oh.
Win it out. Oh.
I don't fancy shorts right now. Not until I wouldn't be taking any short personally. If it comes up and then it was here and then I've got all this room to get to the queue, maybe, depending on what it looks like. However, right now it looks as though it could be smack bang in the middle of the queue. It's gone quite bearish, like I have to admit, but
Yeah, I mean it.
no entry yet anyway.
I'd be surprised if we don't revisit the daily today or get close to daily.
We're too close with the gap for it not to pull. I wouldn't have thought. You'd expect it to go there.
Yeah, like 4 hour is bullish. We've just got a strong, we've taken the high of the previous 4, means more likely it's to close bullish. But, yeah. Price will do what it wants to do.
Yes, markets will go where they want to go. That is a bit more. There's your test of the queue.
My trail has gone.
So there's your answer.
All in.
Oh. Look at that. Look at that. That is what you call a rejection. Nice bullish volume on it.
Did you only post it in the Discord?
No, you put on X. You did last week.
No, it's on the new channel. Hopefully
So there we go. That's why our queue is so important. Look at that rejection from it.
just wanted to fucking tap me out, didn't it?
You get tapped out.
Yeah. I was right at the mark.
I'll make you tap out.
Fuck you. You know what I'll do?
Tap out.
No. You did this.
It's just out of order. It's against the rules, that. So let's see if we can get back up. Because we're just waiting. Need a bullish golden candle. Right now isn't a great place to be, smack between the 4 hour and the queue.
Yeah, we're coming up to 10:30, which is your we're above the 50%, so again more likely for us to come and take the high, current 4 hour. IB, initial balance, first hour. 50% zone. It's basically DR, first half hour. Call it initial balance. So more probability for us to take the high. Got 2 more minutes for that probability.
Some solid rejections here.
Like another retracement down. Another wicking.
I'm gonna have to push yet. There's been no sort of conviction to go up yet. Could well be one more into it.
Oh yeah.
Think somebody's listening to me. See if he's going to come and test the queue again. Feels like it is. So we're getting a sell signal. Would you look for shorts only if we close below the queue? Yep. Need to close below here. Now, as I say, it may well, like the one before, may well go on to target, maybe enough volume. But realistically, I've seen too many of them go the other way. Especially if we get a push in and then reversal. Bullish volume. Goes straight back on you. Tell you what, that was close. That's why I don't take these trades.
It's a loss.
Wick down.
Oh, one tick.
It's not.
It is fucking now.
It's not yet.
It is gonna go through.
What? Listen. If it was all that easy, I'd just ask you what was going to happen.
That's what I say to my wife all the time.
So yeah, this isn't. This is the reason we don't go into the queue, because this isn't what we're looking for. We're not looking for price to come back up here. It happens, but it's not what we want. Will Zoo's prediction come correct? I'm gonna hit him today. He's definitely at some point today gonna come like a left hook to the jaw if he carries on. He's coming.
Oh no.
I'll go for the squeeze.
Nipple squeeze?
Yeah.
Ah, don't do that. I've already got a sore nipple.
Why have you got a sore nipple?
Because
Here's a story.
when we were walking in the rain, it was rubbing a little bit. Because I've got a wet t-shirt. And then I've had this automatic door closer fitted on my door, and it fucking caught me chest twice over the weekend. So I've got a sore nipple.
There we go. We're gonna push through.
Alright. You wanted to know? Now you know.
You know that trade that you said was gonna lose?
No.
No. Did I just make that up, did I?
Yeah.
So yes, that is. It's the third signal on the stream. Third valid signal that was tagged in. I don't advise taking trades into the queue. That's why I didn't take them two, and I only took the second one. But all three of them have won.
Where are we going?
I just don't like them.
Where are we going? Bearish today? Gonna put in new lows? Feels odd that the 930 didn't put in the low of the day. It's come back up. Maybe it's gonna do it now.
The queue is one of our alpha zones. All the settings, default, I'm not going to do them on the stream, mate. They are all in the Discord. I put them all in there on Thursday, Friday last week. They're all there. So if you're in the Discord, you can go and scroll on, and they're in settings, and I put an image of exactly what settings I use. They're all there. They didn't have the last sale signal, but had the 3 before it. Not a problem. It's just easier that way. All the settings are there, and then you can spend your time and go through them.
Yeah, just hit something.
If you've got any questions on it, just drop it in support. I'll more than happy to come and answer any questions for you, buddy. As you'll find out very quickly, we're pretty responsive. We're normally there when we're not asleep or getting bashed over the head with a frying pan by a 5-year-old. Or wife, yeah, or wife. I changed it from wife.
Okay, she's watching now.
Yeah, she's got my stream now, so I've got to be a little bit careful. We do our best, mate. We do our best. We do try and be helpful. This is
I like to think I'm helpful.
You like to think you're helpful?
Yeah. I do cause some issues
Some issues.
occasionally.
So any issues that I've had with like things needing fixing, what have they been down to? Any of them, by the way. You can name one. That's
User errors.
user error.
Not me.
Not you. I was just wondering. No thoughts on.
I didn't remove the videos.
You didn't remove all the videos at the weekend, no?
No, that wasn't me.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. That's bullshit.
I think that was someone else.
You removed all the videos.
I did.
Is this actually gonna work? I don't think it is. No, I think I broke my gimbal.
It's working.
Oh yeah, maybe it is. I charged it and it's like,
Is this for when you're going to do a live stream running?
it's my run stream.
Yeah.
You know the bit where I break my neck?
Hello, everybody. Antibody here.
This is where I snap my ankle live on YouTube.
Oh, God. Oh, biscuit ankles.
Huh?
I'm allowed to take the dog
Huh?
ankle?
Huh? Ah! Look. It's gone nuts. Like, look, I turned it round and then it just started going.
Has it got a motor in it?
Yeah. I bought this one to compete with you, if you remember.
I do. When we had that compete off with.
Gimbal off.
Whose gadget's better? Remember the darts? Whose darts were better?
It still pains you that you were second best in table tennis.
Fucking was not. Oh my god.
You definitely were. You had one move.
Did not have one move.
And then once I'd mastered that, you were done. You were done.
Admittedly, it got harder once you could get past figure out my serve. Yeah.
That was it then. Alright, so we've had that push up. But we are still sandwiched in between our 4 hour and our queue. It's interesting. You check whether it's, you were checking whether it's on the shorts feed. Are you able to check that? Because Because obviously I've not seen the kicks, like, but be interesting to see if it's there. Might take a new hour. I was hoping we'd just get the direction one way or another and wait for our pullbacks and go, But seems to be a usual thing this time of day. We get a move in one direction, we'll catch a move, and then we get this chop for a little bit for the next hour. Very often happens between sort of 10 and 11 New York. So we're there showing.
I couldn't find you when I was scrolling through.
Right.
So I hadn't subscribed yet. So, which I have now. But it's definitely in the shorts feed. But whether it's being pushed in the shorts feed is another matter. In fact, I'll be able to tell that. Oh, come on, don't give a sell signal below that 4 hour. Come on out of it. Right, let's have a look.
Come on, Nasdaq, let's get a bit of movement.
His sell signal was different. And it lost.
Do what?
His sell signal was different and it lost.
We're not getting a lot of movement at the moment, guys, are we? We're still stuck in this, as we have been since sort of, well, just after 9:30. Let's not take risks, though. We're not going to take trades for the sake of taking trades. Wait for the right setup. Yeah, it is a yawn fest, isn't it, to be fair? Not a lot we can do with this one at the minute.
It's called trading.
Patience.
Poised.
This is one of the skills, though, guys. This is part of what we do. We've got to wait, we wait. If we've got to take no more, then we take one winning trade. And that's us done for the day, and another winning day. And take that any day of the week. It's just nice when you're on a live stream to be able to get 2 or 3 and be slightly entertaining.
You're entertaining anyway. You don't need to take trades.
He's being sarcastic now, aren't you?
No,
He's being sarcastic.
I am not.
There was that undertone in his voice when he said he was being entertaining.
Listen, it's a pleasure to spend time with you.
Did you hear the sarcasm?
No sarcasm. None. There's nothing more I would rather.
Oh, no. It's too far. Too far. You're just not happy, are you? You just have to get it in and just fucking... So, 1st of December, guys. We all ready for Christmas? For those of you who've got kids or haven't got kids, or... We'll still be here most of Christmas. You want to come and chat to us? If you're not busy, I'll still be here. Take a little bit of time in the middle, but other than that, we'll be coming on, have a look at the markets. Or you could be like ICT and just close your chart until February. Wish we all had that luxury. I wasn't suggesting do that, by the way. No. Okay, so we're pushing back up to the 4 hour, the 1 hour. See none in there.
Vertical live feed.
Is that the shorts?
It's the vertical live feed, yeah. Which is you're not in the shorts feed, which is 1, but you're in the vertical live feed. So I think that is already a little bit better, because I don't think we were getting any of that. Alright, here we go. It's moon time.
See if we can have a look. Have a look at an old one.
Yeah, we'll do. Let's get this trade first.
There's no trade yet.
Yeah, there fucking is. Right, fucking then.
Not sat at the bottom of the hour, I'm not.
Yeah, statistically we've got the high.
If it pushes up near the top end of it. It's a bit more like it.
Mine's gone. Order filled.
Well done, Zoo. Good trade.
Yup.
So, this was not an A+ setup. That's the reason I didn't jump at you and say take the trade. Well, not that I'd ever tell you to take the trade, but the close is here within this 1 hour and 4 hour alpha zone. You would normally like to see it close outside, but yes, did go to target. It's a winning trade.
Go fill that fucking gap.
Anybody jump in? I am conscious of saying that because they're not the highest probability, so I don't normally like to say when they're in the hour.
Well,
But we had took the high.
it's special circumstances, what we always say each trade.
Well, each trade on its own merit. That's 2 for me, 2 wins. Are you on now 2-1, Zoo?
3.
3-1.
I'm on 3 wins.
Oh, you were BE on the other one, weren't you? You let it run.
I took a bit off.
Yeah.
Took a
So
partial.
still a win.
I've taken a partial on every trade and let it run, so I took a partial on this trade, just in case we catch that runner. But I am sitting at 400 on
On the challenge?
on the challenge, which is great.
You're ahead of me. I'm 300 up now. 300 up now.
Nice. So
Well, just under 300.
that'll probably put me.
Nothing crazy.
That'll probably put me.
We got any W's, guys?
Um,
Oh, you all super sensible. I'm actually kind of pleased if all of you say no.
Top 30s, I'd say. Around it. Around 38, 37, I reckon I'll be. It's not a bad first day.
1 week to go, yeah.
Got another week. You get 2k drawdown.
Well done, Dean. Yeah, I get it, not taking it inside the 4 hour. That's why I said it wasn't an A+ setup. But that was a one where I was a lot more confident. We've closed above this. We've then come and took this high here. For me, it was every reason for that to push on upwards. So yes, not A+, but a good B+. B+ stroke A. Because we had everything else. Our trend wave's green. We've got our bullish volume, plenty of it. We're coming towards the end of our 1 hour alpha zone. Our trend traffic lights are all green.
High time frame's bullish.
High time frame is bullish, that's right. We've got plenty of draw above. We'd come down and tested the Qs and come back above. So, yeah. Decent trade in my opinion.
The Q pushed up significantly, even though we just got above the highs. The Q took a big leap up. Look at that.
On the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big 5 minute candle.
So let's see if it carries on back up, or whether we're.
It's going.
You would say that. You've still got a runner.
Don't come back. Come on. Keep going. I mean, it's one of them. If it comes back, we'll get a golden candle, and then we can get a second entry on the way up. Got confluences set for it to return to the daily, so it's nice to have those continuation trades.
That's what I mean. If we keep getting that little bit of pull back and go, I'm happy. That's what I was looking for. But obviously we sat around. We had a winning trade here. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah.
So we're only an hour and a half into New York, and we've had 2 wins.
That hasn't been a losing signal, has it? Even
No,
though we haven't
no.
seen some.
No, all the signals have won. Let's just have that. Every single one has won. good point, by the way.
Yeah.
I may advise on some less high probability, but every single, by the way, on this stream has one. I'll give it a bit more time.
You gotta think of it like an F1 car.
Here we go. Why have you got to think of it like an F1 car?
Well, it's a premium product, but it all depends on the driver.
No comment. $9.43 invalidated. Yeah, well, it's not. That's what I mean. That's not a. If it's not a losing signal because it was invalidated. It's no trade.
Do you hear what I hear? Should we put some Christmas music on?
I think people are going to hear.
Ask the chat.
I think people are going to hear enough Christmas music over the next month.
Ask the chat whether they would like the background music to change to Christmas music.
You know what the answer's going to be.
I think yes or no.
I don't think the chat are going to answer yes to wanting Christmas music as the background music.
I think you'll be surprised. They're a lot more merry than you.
Dean, you make me laugh. Dean constantly asks for UK Garage. What's with the infomercial music? No, don't you start as well. Do you know how difficult it is to get music that doesn't get us reported? Trying to get silly, soft background, uncopyrighted music is really difficult. I'll change it. I'll have new music for tomorrow. No, you didn't. I didn't say put a poll on. It's got my face on it as well.
You asked it.
Yeah. It went from 3 votes down to 2. So somebody changed their mind. Yeah. Oh, back to 3. They've decided.
Yeah.
Can you see results already, or?
75% say yes. 80%.
Right. We're at 7 votes.
86%.
You got Christmas music. Right, well, tomorrow's stream then. If this is the way the vote goes, I will go with the masses.
Hey. I don't control their fingers.
I was going for some deep Ghanaian Afro beats, but that's not what people want then. 9 votes. 78% yes.
Down a bit. Let's come down further. Feliz Navidad. Yes, pickles. Feliz Navidad. Can't say it.
Navidad.
Is it Spanish?
Yes.
Have you told chat about you?
No,
Spanish?
no. We're not going to talk about my time with Spain on the chat, thanks.
Don't you think he looks a bit Spanish? Do you look a bit Spanish? Have you got family who are Spanish?
I didn't see this. Is you just I have.
Have you? Means you're the bull.
You're definitely the bear. Fucking Winnie the Pooh. There you go. You asked for that one. So we're nice and bullish now. So hopefully we would like a little golden candle. Just a little one. An itty bitty golden candle.
Break. We got a bit of space. Might just retrace back down a bit. Rebalance that break on the 5 minute. I'd love to finish today on 500. 500 was my dream finish today. I didn't get to 500 on the first day.
Be a great result. You've done well already.
I don't think it's trading drawdown, so I think I keep the drawdown.
It is trailing.
Is it?
I don't know. I just.
Yeah, fuck it. It's a live account. It's a proper live account. I'm trading for you on live.
I know.
Yeah, it's not simulated.
Isn't it?
No.
Liar.
I swear to God, look. I don't know how I can show you that it's not a live account.
Oh, yeah.
You started at 0.
Nice.
Then you can see you've got 2, 4.
Good. Do we need a new bearish golden candle before a bullish one prints? Yep. That's correct.
I tell you what news have we got this week? We haven't looked, have we?
Well, you probably have, but you just wouldn't tell me, would you? You'd have a look, see what news it is, and then wait till 1 minute after the news, and then go, oh shit, I'm glad I didn't tell you about that.
Nothing you need to worry about. Don't worry. But nothing tomorrow.
Yeah, when you're not here.
I'm here tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Wednesday. And then non-farm.
Okay.
PMI again.
So, Wednesday's a bit of a fucker.
Yeah, well, 8:15. You've got a bit of time in between. And then you've got unemployment claims, which is 8:30. That should be fine.
So let's see if we get our bearish golden candle.
Friday's got
Core PCE.
and
That's the pickles news.
is
It's the preemptive pickles news. Core PCE.
I'd be more careful with Friday than anything.
Okay, so we get a bit of bearish volume on this. So we are getting a bearish golden candle, which means we could get a sell. We're in a new hour.
Might just retap that previous hour. Fucking tap me out and go, bet it.
Come on, tap him out. Tap him out. I want you to win. I do want you to win. Big of upset pickles.
Why?
He's grrring at me
Grr.
because of his fake news calendar. It's got news and it's just got a picture of Donald Trump on the front. Yeah.
Well, there's the bearish golden candle, so
Was it? Yep.
still getting bearish volume though.
Got a bearish on the 5 minute.
We're going to retap that 4 hour and go now. Need a nice reaction.
So tap in from the 5 though. Look at that. See if we get a rejection off the 50 or whether we're going to come right back down. Big old candle.
All the way back up into that massive 1 hour fair value gap. Let me just make it back up and balance it all. Close above that 4 hour. That's interesting.
Charlie, you on there?
4 hour?
You copied my chart?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you definitely didn't draw all them.
How would you need them in case they link to yours?
Don't worry.
I don't think they will be.
I'd have found out.
Because I copied them. If I copy the trade, they're not going to be linked, are they? I'll just delete them now.
No. I'd just rather you didn't. Just to. It's unnecessary.
A golden candle. Sorry about that. Golden candle on the 1 hour. Wow, that's a big plummet through.
See if it closes below or it rejects.
Don't like that. Well. Getting a sell signal. You getting a sell signal?
Sell signal below.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, our real close is quite high up. No signal. Bullish volume. So we did see our 1 hour AlphaZone still, this new hour did open above our previous hour. So my bias in my head is still quite bullish, even though we've come down here.
Yeah, it's like a corrective move, isn't it? Push up, correct quite deep, push up, correct quite deep.
Because this wasn't really much of a pullback here, above the Q before. It's messed around a little bit, now a big push up, a bit more of a deeper correction. We're only 12 minutes into the new hour.
Could just plummet now.
So we're pushing down.
You didn't get a sell signal on that, did you? Normal candles did.
No, now I am. Sell signal. Bearish volume. To continue with the bearish volume, we'd need to close below, really. Otherwise, I reckon it would turn bullish. And we are quite high up on the close. It's currently neutral. Bullish volume. Again, bullish volumes kept us out. Didn't close below the alpha zone.
Carry on our wayward.
Good song.
Great song. I don't think it would what's the Christmas vote in the end? 73% on the Christmas vote.
How many votes? 11.
11 votes.
Might put some Christmas songs on tomorrow then.
AI generated.
Oh shit, yeah. That'd be funny.
We're gonna have to. Here we come up with a new Christmas song.
Christmas at the zoo.
Christmas at the zoo. Did it take the high of the sell signal? Oh, it didn't give a sell signal because of the bullish volume.
Nope. Said it was already, as it had come down, the real close was already quite high up, so didn't fancy it.
Should get in now though. Just don't want it to go that far.
Goes too far, then we might end up tapping the head of the queue.
Yeah.
Let's keep an eye on it though, guys. So it's currently getting shown a sell signal.
28 seconds.
Might go too far. Will we take one into the queue? To the top of the queue is 1 point. I'm fine with that. Just won't be trading any further into the queue. See if we get some bearish volume. It's literally right on the wire as well. So he's going to come back down and test the queue then. That's not really what we wanted to see.
Nope, order filled.
Let's just tap me out. So that's a loss for us on that one. Yeah, that's a loss for me as well, buddy. Can't win them all. See if this will push back up now above the previous 4 hour. The ATR is right down now at 17. It's pushing back up. So we've had a bullish golden candle coming back above our 4 hour. See if we can get above this 4 hour. Yeah, it's definitely going to push up. So we can get a big push and start heading back up there. They do align if you're on the right settings, mate. You may find that they are. You may find that they show slightly different, and when I say slightly different, like that says 314.75 and it says 314.48. Maybe an ever so slightly.
The only thing is, you just you've got all the videos and all stuff you've just done as well to make sure everything aligns, haven't you?
Yeah, so you see the price is 314. TP1 is 314.48, and the line here just rounds it at 314.50. That's all. So you should find that almost identical, and the ones in the calculator will be more actual real price. There we go, see if we can get through this. See if we can get above the 4 hour. We've got 3 green traffic lights. Our trend wave's now green. We are below our 1 hour alpha zone. But as I mentioned before, we did open above the previous hour. See if we can get some bullish volume. We need some bullish volume before we can do anything. So there's our bearish volume and a bearish golden candle.
this will be the first bigger correction where we fail to take the high. So let's see whether we get a switch.
Yeah, your TP1 at 309.75 is because you have it set on trade setup, not on ATR. That's why. I've just checked the settings. That's why. So it's points and ticks and ATR is what you need to have ticked, and untick the trade setup one. Okay, so straight back up, look, rejection with a golden candle. We've got our 3 trend traffic lights. We need some bullish volume preferably. And a nice close above our 1 hour alpha, above our 4 would be nice as well. There's an extra confluence here.
Golden candle, 3 dots.
Yeah. Let's check my settings are right. So we are getting some bullish volume. See if we can get the volume bubble to kick in as well. See if it wants to give another push up. Feels like it wants to come into the 1 hour there. Blue bubble is what we want. It's playing games. One big candle. Tapping into our 1 hour alpha zone. And then back down. Fantastic. So that goes TP1. So it's a golden candle trade. TP1, our trend wave is green. We've got our blue, bullish volume. We're enough space in our 1 hour alpha zone. If you want to take it, yeah, it's close.
Just edging in.
So yeah, again, not an A+. We haven't had a huge amount of A+ setups today, but another winning setup. Yeah, I think now would be the time for the big push. We've had the three traffic lights as well at this point. Again. Oh. We get a big push through the hour and then we might get a buy signal.
Well, I've recuperated my loss anyway.
Well, that's good. Patience is a virtue, guys. I mean, it's going to come out the hour here. When it doesn't push through, then.
There we go. That's a big rejection.
Yeah. It's a big rejection at the hour. Bullish volume on there.
It wants to go, it's just making it difficult, isn't it?
Yeah. You feel like once it gets above that hour now, it's off for the run. There's a pretty deep retracement.
Yeah, these are the ones that are hard to place runners because the corrections are so deep. Even though we're getting there, it's like each correction's been like 2/3
Yeah.
push.
We can get a strong move through the 1 hour.
But the idea is strong push with bullish volume, close above.
Yeah. So I mean, if we can get that
Sure.
strong candle through.
There it is. That's the push that we wanted before. Had to do that little fucking correction, didn't it? Look at that. That's the fucking candle I wanted.
So we are above. We've got bullish volume. We've got a buy signal. Oh, bearish volume. So it's not yet.
Just as we took the highs. Bullish volume on that one now.
Yeah, and we're showing a signal now as well.
Oh. There's there'll be the gap through there. Look at all that fucking runners.
Well, 10 seconds. So we're getting a bullish volume bubble. See if we can get the run now to the gap. Or is it going to come back and test that hour? Play with me emotions. Come on, Nasdaq. See if we can get our first move. First move up to TP1. I'm expecting a bit more of a push than that.
Boom.
That's TP1. Are we going to get a little bit more of a move up?
Yeah, I feel that gap. I'm not leaving a runner now. I'm sick of leaving runners. I've had it done. That way, leave runners are basically there. Swipes.
Getting a bit of bullish volume on there. Into the golden zone. And that is me out.
Well done, bud.
That's perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Right then. Get some W's in the chat, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. A profitable day. What we have in the end? Five, 6 winning signals, including the golden candle. We had 1 loss. Very productive day.
It was half my risk when I got to that short, because we were already gone pretty much to where I wanted to be at my target. I didn't want to give away the entire.
Yeah, it's good risk management.
So my risk on there is about 150.
On the sell. Yeah.
It's that dynamic risk that makes the big difference, isn't it? Being able to adapt.
Well, you don't want to go all in on every trade, are we?
Correct.
Protect our profits. If you've won a couple of trades, don't lose more than you've won. At least give yourself an opportunity to stay in profit for the day, even if you do lose a trade.
Also, that sell we hadn't taken the previous hour low, so we were still in that hourly uptrend. So it's that kind of.
Yeah. And we were still bullish. You know what I mean, on the sell. That was...
Hey, we got so close to the queue. When we pushed that far down, I was really like, I'm in an hour on it. I just thought there's probably just enough to get to the queue. It was one of them we could have quite easily not taken that one.
Yeah. Let's see if this...
But not going to be perfect every time, so.
No, but today's still a good day, guys. Plenty of winning trades. So, guys, if you're not already trading AlphaZones, then you can jump over to our WAP. throw it on the throw the link in the chat. So anyone who's not currently trading it, oh, it's not letting me do it.
Can't post new links yet. It's not been approved, probably.
Oh yeah. So the links in the chat, guys. We are a new channel on this one as we moved over. So links in the chat.
It's the link in the description.
Description, sorry, yeah. In the description, sorry. If you're not already trading Alpha Zones, but otherwise, I am gonna shoot for today. I'll be back on tomorrow. GG, well done. Good stream, good trades, lots of winners, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for